Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video I got a very exciting NFT to go over. Now before we get started, like always, none of the things I go through in this channel should ever be considered financial advice. Please do your own research before investing in anything. I'm going to be leaving all the links down in the description below so you can do your own research about the project before investing. But with that being said, let's get right into it. In today's video I'm talking about none other than the Troverse NFT. The Troverse NFT is a metaverse to the expanse of the galaxy that awaits for you to play, collect, explore, and earn. So a lot of things are going to be going down with this NFT, and I'm very excited just to showcase it for you. As we come down, we can take a look and see what this NFT is really about. Now, the NFTs are actually going to be planets. So the Troverse are actual individual planets. They're going to be procedurally generated, and there's going to be a whole 10,000 of them in this collection. Now, each of them are going to have a big difference. They're living beyond the boundaries of the screenshots. They are giant, lively 3D planets to explore and excavate for highly valuable NFT treasures. Spread all across the galaxy in the open world, third-person space exploration survival game featuring top-notch graphics powered by Unreal Engine. Now guys, I could talk all day about how insane this game looks, but I'm just gonna play a portion of this trailer here because I think this will say 1,000 words. So you guys get the point here. I'm gonna leave the links down in the description below like I mentioned so you can watch the entire trailer here because I don't want to play the entire thing and just drag on this video more than it has to go. But realistically, this trailer just shows a lot of cool things about the NFT. Obviously, we see all the different types of worlds are going to be actual collectible NFTs, which is what you're minting with this project. We see the exploration side of things, so you're going to be actually able to explore the entire planet, collect resources, and you're also going to be able to fight other monsters as well. So it looks like it's going to be a survival game on top of everything, which really just reminds me a lot of No Man's Sky. This is what a lot of people are comparing this game to, except this is on the blockchain and the planets are NFTs. So very, very cool, guys. Obviously the graphics look insane, probably the best graphics I've seen on an NFT game to date, and it is because they're using the incredible Unreal Engine, which many AAA games have been created on this engine, so it's no surprise how good this game looks so far. Now, so obviously this is going to be on the ethereum blockchain, and we can expect 10,000 of these NFTs like I mentioned before. So beyond the NFT, besides owning the state-of-the-art NFT collectibles, the owners will have these advantages. So you're going to have your headquarters. These headquarters are deployed on their planets to provide instant access and unlock many gameplay features. You're going to be able to own to earn. So owners will receive a portion of resources gathered and treasures discovered by other players on their planets. So it's going to be an entire ecosystem. Even if other people are playing the game, you're going to be able to receive a portion of it. So you're going to have a head start because planet owners are forerunners of Troverse. They will have a head start in future events and enter the galaxy earlier. So obviously getting in on the NFT, you're going to have first access to the game once it comes out here. So the sale details, we can see that the planet sale is not yet started, but details will be announced soon, and we're going to be able to take a look at more of that on the actual Discord as well. They're going to be able to mint this NFT right here on the website, and again, I'll leave the link down in the description below. So for the roadmap here, we can see the big bang. Well, it's already done. That was October 2020 to April 2021, so well over a year now in production here. Pre-production started, design and prototype completed. So the radiation era here, that was mid last year until now in January 2022, which is finalizing the generation of the planets as well as the smart contract development. Era of Matter, this is coming up next month here. Planets NFT sale collection, so we know it's going to be in February. I believe the date is on the Discord there. Birth of the Stars, that's going to be also in Q1 of 2022, which is releasing the Galaxy Explorer, as well as in Q3 for this year, we're going to have the game alpha release initially for the Planet owners. So if you own one of these NFTs as early as possibly September or so, you're going to be able to play the Troverse game, which is very exciting news, guys. Now, Birth of Life, that's going to be the end of this year here. You can see that game beta released, ongoing updates and expansions. So very exciting stuff, guys. We're going to be able to play the game relatively soon here once the NFT launch happens. So for the FAQs, what is the Troverse? Well, the Troverse is a decentralized NFT collection that utilizes an open world, third-person space exploration survival game featuring top-notch visuals powered by the Unreal Engine. Players will be able to explore a vast galaxy of procedurally generated planets, as we already mentioned there as well. So what is a planet? Well, the planet is where players travel and explore to find rare, valuable collectibles, equipment blueprints, raw resources, rare skins, and cosmetic NFTs. Each planet is an ERC-721 token and has distinct visuals, attributes with proof of ownership stored on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, how many planets are going to be created? 10,000, as we mentioned before. How can you buy a planet? It's going to be on the mint site here. When will the Troverse planet sale be launched? Well, it's going to be in early February. Again, we're going to take a look at Discord and see more details about all that. How much are the planets going to cost? Well, the prices will be revealed closer to the launch date here, and that's actually for a good reason. If you've been keeping up with the crypto market as of recently, Ethereum as well as the entire crypto market has taken a huge tank, right? Ethereum went from $3,200 less than a week ago to right now hovering underneath $2,400. So obviously they want to be able to make sure that they're getting enough money to continue developing this game. So if Ethereum continues to drop, obviously the ETH value of each of the planets has to go up to make up for that. Now, how are the planets created? Well, through some very well thought out and super nerdish algorithms they were able to implement inside the Real Engine. They're going to be able to publish some articles on this later as well. Who is the creator? Well, Troverse is being developed by an international team of game developers who got crazy about crypto. They understand and are amazed at how the blockchain is evolving the gaming space, and they've geared the best designs as well as ideas to make Troverse the best of all of them out there right now. There are also awesome people who are contributing this project. Now we're going to take a look more about the team here. They are docs, we're able to take a look at all of their stuff here, but the main guys that are docs right now is Nima and Farzam, right? Very expansive team. Now just taking a look here on their Twitter, we can see they've already amassed over 42,000 followers in the short time that they've been active on here. And again, it is a play to earn game and it's coming out in February. They're consistently posting on a daily basis and they're getting many likes and engagements with all of their posts here. They're obviously getting a lot of partnerships as well with some of the biggest people in the NFT space for whitelist giveaways, which is always good to see when they're actually partnering up with these big influencers. Now I'm very excited to be able to mint one of these, and it seems that the community is also thinking the same thing here. You can see that right here, their giveaway just from December 22nd here. They were doing 3 planets and 200 whitelists, so quite a big giveaway, but it was able to get 5.4 thousand likes and a whole 12,000 retweets on here. So we can tell that people are beyond excited to be able to mint these planets and to be able to play it come later this year. Once we take a look on their Discord here, we can see they've already amassed 24.2 thousand people on the Discord, 6,000 of which are currently online, which is a really great ratio to see. Now on the roadmap is mostly the same things that we saw on the site here. You can see that all their official links are on here as well, which these are the links I highly suggest you use just to make sure that you're not getting scammed, because those are very active right now in the crypto and NFT community. Once we hop in the general chat here, we can see that several people are typing. You can see that they're incredibly active on here, and it's all different types of people, some of which are actually whitelisted and some are not, which just shows that people are still on here being active, trying to win their whitelist, and I can see exactly why here. They also have some games that you can play on here as well, which is always nice to see when they're actually trying to keep the community active on the Discord while waiting for the actual NFT to release. In the sneak peeks here, we can take a look and see more about these planets. I'm going to just play 1 or 2 of these videos quickly here just to show you exactly what they look like. Very cool planets, fully explorable, and I'm excited to be able to mint one. They all look extremely different from one another, which is always great to see, and the fact that this was made on Unreal Engine really boosts my confidence in the gameplay as well as the graphic fidelity of the game here. So as we can see here, this is more more of an Earth-like planet, but what we can see on the top left here is where this game is going to be taking us, which is straight to the moon and beyond into the galaxy, guys. So very, very exciting stuff, very active community, amazing graphics, great play to earn mechanics, and I really do think this project will skyrocket once it's released later on in the coming month here. That's the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like always, I'm going to leave the links down in the description below so you can do your own research about the project. If you are interested about it, please take a look at it for yourself and come to your own conclusion. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next one. Peace out.